Imagine yourself in this 2014 Hyundai Veloster Flex. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: heated mirrors, front-wheel drive, intermittent wipers, passenger illuminated visor mirror, floor mats, passenger airbag, and passenger vanity mirror. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.